Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install DBeaver latest version, that is 26 on Debian Linux 13. Then I will show you how to connect MySQL and PostgreSQL. First open the default browser that comes with Debian Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to DBeaver official website, it is dbeaver.io. Then click on download. Then see here we have the two versions, Community and Pro. For Debian Ubuntu type operating systems, we have to download this Debian package. Click on it to download. See, download started and its size is about 119 megabytes. Here CE means Community Edition. See, download completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads, ls. Now install it. Sudo dpkg -i DBeaver, then press the tab to autofill entire file name, hit enter. Product password of this sudo user, hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Go to all applications, then search for DBeaver. See, here we have the DBeaver. Click on it to open. Close this one. Now click on database, then select new database connection, or just click on this plugin button for new database connection, then select MySQL, then click on next. I have already installed MySQL on this one. If you want to, you can search for my YouTube channel how to install MySQL on Debian Linux. MySQL is installed on this one. Localhost is fine. 3306 is the port number. I have the database bank, then username root, then provide the password. Not only root, you can use the username that is there in this database. Then click on test connection. Click on download for downloading drivers. This is the expected error. Click on OK. Now go to driver properties, then go to this allow public key retrieval. By default it is false, change it to true. Then click on test connection. See, successfully connected to MySQL server number version 8.4.8. then click on OK, then click on finish. Expand connection, expand databases. See, here we have these databases and these users. If you want to run queries against this database, right click, then SQL editor, then open SQL console. I have the table customer. See, I have the table customer. Now run the query against this table. Select star from customer, select the query and click on this execute button. See, we got the output. Okay, the same if you want to connect. If you want to disconnect this MySQL, right click, then select disconnect. If you want to connect PostgreSQL, again click on this plus button or new, then select PostgreSQL, then click on next. Same if you have to provide all these details, then you have to click on test connection. This is the way. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install DBeaver latest version 26 on Debian Linux 13. Then we have seen how to connect MySQL and PostgreSQL from the DBeaver. Okay, for more database tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.